These AI baby color mixing videos are exploding across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram right now, and I genuinely believe this is going to be the next viral AI trend. The best part? I created this video in less than 2 minutes using completely free AI tools.
Wow, pretty colors! Look, I made teal! Teal!
Let me show you exactly how. First, you'll need the prompt, which you'll find linked in the description below. Copy the prompt and head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT and hit enter. It will instantly generate several color combination ideas for your video. Choose the idea you like by typing its corresponding number and pressing enter. ChatGPT will then ask you to select a second color. Once you've made your choice, it will generate a complete master prompt with all the settings you need. Now copy the master prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Switch to video mode, choose your preferred aspect ratio, and select Omni Flash as your video model. Set the video duration to 10 seconds. Paste the master prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. In just a few moments, Google Flow AI will create your AI baby color mixing video. And here's the final result. The best part is that you can create unlimited variations simply by choosing different color combinations, making it an endless source of fresh viral content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and more. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe to Reavron for more free AI tutorials and the latest viral AI niches. I'll see you in the next one.